Yes, Jo Kisumu. Watu wa Kisumu, Siaya, tuko pale Riverfront Gemiala this coming Saturday, 9th of August. We are celebrating birthday of Her Excellency Reverend Dr. Princess D, CEO of Gala Empire. Tutakuwa na wasanii wengi sana kama Tabu Jakuyugi, Omondi Wodombei, tuko na Omondi MC Ngoe. It will be Ohangla versus Rumba. Entrance ni 400 tu. Itakuwa moto sana. Alafu Sunday we are winding up hapo Kisumu na Omondi Makangoe. It's called Voma Club, former Vimba. Itakuwa moto sana. Sasa Jo Kisumu, Jokmoachuhu, Omari, when are you coming back to Kisumu? Omari, when will you be in Siaya? Omari, when will you be in game? If you don't see me in Gemiala, then we can connect in Kisumu. Riverfront Gemiala on Saturday, alafu Voma Club on Sunday. Onerebwana.